Here is Nietzsche's 11 quote that will change your perspective. Whoever fights monsters should see to it that in the process he does not become a monster. And if you gaze long enough into an abyss, the abyss will gaze back into you. 2. The lonely one offers his hand too quickly to whomever he encounters. 3. The most perfidious way of harming a cause consists of defending it deliberately with faulty arguments. 4. There is always some madness in love, but there is also always some reason in madness. 5. A man's worth was determined by how much truth he can tolerate and how much truth he can risk telling. 6. In individuals, insanity is rare, but in groups, parties, nations, and epochs, it is the rule. 7. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions destroyed. 8. The individual has always had to struggle to keep from being overwhelmed by the tribe. If you try it, you will be lonely often and sometimes frightened. But no price is too high to pay for the privilege of owning yourself. 9. There are no facts, only interpretations. 10. The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who cannot fly. 11. Man is cruelest animal,